learn some basic journal. Example, Ram started business with 50,000 in cash. So business has received a cash of 50,000 from the proprietor Ram. So the journal entry, the recording of transactions will be happen cash debit to capital. So cash is a real account. So the principle says that what comes is debit, and the capital is a representative personal account. So credit the giver. The capital is a credit giver, so it has to be credited. Now, once the recording is done, we need to do the classifications of the entry based on the ledger. So in this example, we have only two ledger. One is the cash ledger, the other is the capital ledger. So in the cash ledger, the cash is bought by the capital. So cash ledger, the debit side, we will say that to capital. So it is bought by the capital. So it is the 50,000 by to capital. And capital will say, capital is the second ledger. Here the entry will be recorded in the credit side. By cash is of 50,000. Now we will do the balancing of ledger. So once we do the balancing, we will just do the balancing by doing the carried down and brought down. So carried down from in the capital account, when you do the carried down, it will be the by brought down of 50,000. In the cash ledger, when you do the carried down, it will be brought down by 50,000 in the debit side. Now once this is done, we need to prepare the trial balance to check the mathematical or arithmetical accuracy. So here the only two ledgers are there, so cash and capital. So cash debit side we will record, and the other capital is the credit side, we will record it. So we will just write down just to check everything is correctly bought here or not. So this check the mathematical accuracy. Since we don't have any sales and purchase, so we don't have anything to go to the P&L account. P&L account is to prepare to know the performance of the business, Once the year is finished or the period is finished, we need to prepare the P&L account, and after the P&L we will close all the nominal accounts, and it will be the real and personal accounts will be transferred to the balance sheet. Balance sheet will have only two side. One is the liability and equity, the other is the asset side. Since we have only two ledger, one is the cash is an asset, we will write in the asset side. Then the capital is a liability, owner's equity, so we will write in the owner's equity side on the liability side of the balance sheet. So this is balance. So it is the entry